If you suffer from acid reflux, heartburn, or gastritis, you've probably been lied to. You've been told to chug antacids and suppress your stomach acid. But what if I told you that the permanent cure to your burning throat isn't in a pharmacy? It's sitting in the produce aisle for less than $2. Millions of people pop antacids every single day. But here is the terrifying truth. Suppressing your stomach acid actually destroys your digestion over time, leaving you vulnerable to nutrient deficiencies, bacterial overgrowth, and chronic ulcers. You don't need less acid. You need a stronger stomach lining. Today, we are unlocking a forgotten medical secret from 1949, a compound so powerful it was dubbed vitamin U, and it can literally rebuild your gastric lining, patch up ulcers, and stop acid reflux at the source in just 7 days. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact protocol to extract this medicine. Do not click away, because this simple green liquid is about to change your life. To understand why cabbage is a miracle, we have to understand why your chest feels like it's on fire. Most people think acid reflux is caused by too much stomach acid, but science shows it's usually the exact opposite. Your stomach has a valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. It's triggered to close tight when your stomach acid is highly concentrated, between a pH of 1 and 3. But when you are stressed, eating junk, or aging, your stomach acid drops. The valve gets confused, stays open, and the little acid you do have splashes up into your esophagus. So you take a pill to block the acid. The burning stops temporarily, but now you can't digest your food. Your stomach lining becomes weak, inflamed, and prone to ulcers. You are trapped in a vicious cycle. How do we break it? We don't change the acid, we bulletproof the walls. Enter Dr. Garnet Cheney of Stanford University Medical School. In 1949, Dr. Cheney conducted an experiment that should have changed gastroenterology forever. He took patients with severe chronic peptic ulcers, people in agonizing pain, and gave them 1 liter of fresh, raw cabbage juice a day. The results? Complete healing of the ulcers in an average of just 10.4 days. Compare that to the standard medical treatment at the time, which took over a month. Dr. Cheney realized cabbage contained a mysterious healing factor. He called it vitamin U, with the U standing for ulcer. Today, we know vitamin U isn't technically a vitamin. It's a compound called S-methylmethionine, and its superpower? It rapidly stimulates the formation of mucin. This is the protective mucus layer that coats your stomach and intestines. When you drink raw cabbage juice, it acts like a biological liquid bandage, coating the raw, inflamed tissues of your gut and giving them a shield so they can finally heal. But vitamin U is only half the story. The reason raw cabbage is the ultimate gut healer is because it is absolutely loaded with L-glutamine. L-glutamine is an amino acid, and it is the absolute favorite food of the cells that line your digestive tract. When your stomach is inflamed from gastritis or acid reflux, those cells are starving and dying. Pumping them full of raw, bioavailable glutamine is like sending a construction crew with unlimited bricks to rebuild a damaged house. It tightens up leaky gut, stops systemic inflammation, and starves out bad bacteria like H. pylori. But here is the catch. You can't just eat cooked cabbage or buy pasteurized juice from the store. Heat destroys vitamin U. It destroys the enzymes. If you want the medicine, you have to extract it raw. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make it taste good. Step 1. Get organic green or red cabbage. Wash it thoroughly. Step 2. Extraction. If you have a slow cold-pressed juicer, incredible. Run half a head of cabbage through it. But if you don't, no excuses. Throw chopped cabbage into a regular blender with a cup of filtered water, blend it on high, and strain it through a nut milk bag or a clean t-shirt. Now, raw cabbage juice tastes intense. It's sulfurous. To make it highly drinkable, juice it with 1 green apple and an inch of fresh ginger. Ginger is an incredible prokinetic, meaning it helps your stomach empty faster, keeping acid down. Drink 8 to 16 ounces of this on an empty stomach every single morning for 7 to 14 days. Do not chug it. Sip it slowly over 15 minutes to let it coat your throat and stomach. Healing acid reflux isn't about suppressing your body's natural functions. It's about giving your body the exact raw materials it needs to repair the damage. By adding this cheap, simple vegetable to your morning routine, you are taking back control of your digestion. But rebuilding your stomach lining is just step one. If you want to know the exact foods that are secretly causing your acid reflux in the first place, you need to click the video on the screen right now. I break down the top 5 trigger foods you must avoid while your gut heals. Click right here. Keep your gut strong, and I'll see you in the next video.